Dwight D. Eisenhower, the Supreme Allied Commander whose letter and message you just heard, actually shook his hand. Ralph Manley's aircraft was hit and only 5 of the 17 jumpers aboard got out. The static lines pulling the parachutes open. We've got 1, 2, 3 jumpers. Looking for a 4th. Let's see if that's just 3 on this run. 3 jumpers are now clear and are on their way earthward. You can see some openings in some of these chutes, which allows some amount of steering. But during combat, that steering was almost inconsequential because they came in so low. The Liberty Jump Team has had the honor of jumping before the Combined Forces Military Jump at Lafayette Iron Mike DZ every year since 2009. They do their training and operations school in Denison, Texas. It's formerly the site of the Perrin Air Force Base. Watch them as they do their parachute landing falls. They drop and roll. They don't try to land standing up. 2 jumpers on the ground. We're waiting for the 3rd. Still a couple of 100 feet in the air, coming very, very slowly toward the DZ, the drop zone. Ladies and gentlemen, they've got jumpers on the ground, and that guy made it.